Hey everyone, Mike here. In this video, I wanted to go over tuning the guitar. It's obviously a very super important part of playing and practicing, so let's get right to it. The first thing that we need to do is make sure that we memorize the note for each string, meaning each string has a corresponding note that we tune to, and the order of that is Eddie, 8, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie. And that is the weirdest sounding thing ever, but let me explain. So the order of the string, starting from the string closest to your face, our low E, going all the way down, is E, A, D, G, B, E. That's kind of like a weird order of notes to tune to, but it's really easy if you have like a phrase or something that you can correspond to with it. So Eddie, 8, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie is what I came up with and what I learned when I was a kid tuning. So best way to remember. So that's step one. Step two is to go beneath this video, click subscribe, make sure you like and leave a comment if you like what you're seeing, or if you want to request something that you really want to learn, put it in the comments and I'll make sure that I do it for you. The first thing we're gonna do is pick up your guitar, make sure you're plugged in, or make sure you have your clip-on tuner on the top of your headstock, and when you look at your tuner, whether it be like a plug-in one that you would plug in right from the input of your guitar into the device, or a clip-on one, most of them are going to look like somewhat of like a speedometer. What you want to do is make sure that, for instance, if we're tuning our E string, you want to make sure the letter E shows up, and then above that letter, or below it, you'll see that little speedometer thing that I'm talking about. You want to make sure that the needle points directly up, or there's like, sometimes you have like a green light or a red light that'll light up when the note is like perfectly in tune. I'll show you what I mean. So this guitar is disgustingly out of tune. So, and this tuner that I'm using is pretty accurate, so it's kind of touchy, so you'll kind of see it like swivel back and forth. So check this out. So in my open E, you'll notice that the needle is pointing slightly to the left. What that means is that the note is a little on the flat side. That means that the note's a little too low in pitch to be perfectly in E. So what I'm gonna do is tune the string up, and you'll see it turn green. That's exactly what we want right there. To go down to the next string, we need an A. So we'll pluck the string. Again, it's a little flat, so we need to bring it up a little bit. Go, perfect A right there. Next is a D, still flat again, but for example, if we see it on the opposite side, on the right side of the speedometer, where the needle drops to the right, that means we're too sharp, or the string is too high. That means like if we're playing our D string, we're getting a little too close to an E. So we want to bring it back down, like so it's like perfectly a D. Let's bring that down. Same exact concept. Green. Perfect, exactly what we need. Next string, let's do a weird example. So this right here reads an F sharp. We obviously want a G here. Eddie, 8, Dynamite, good. So we need that G, but it reads an F sharp. What that means is that the string is down one full note. What we need to do, so obviously F comes before G, so we can think down from G, so the pitch is too far down. We need to bring it back up. So we'll play it. You can watch the needle flip. See it flip just to G right there? Bring it up, and we're out of G. Went over a little bit. Oops. Next is a B. We're gonna go up to B. Perfect. See, we're at the D sharp again. D comes before E. D is to like right before E, obviously. You want to bring the D up to an E. Here we go, it flips. Oops. And then we're right at an E. And that right there is how to tune your guitar. It doesn't hurt, especially if you have a guitar that has like a tremolo system, one of these things. Sometimes they can get knocked out of tune really easy. It doesn't hurt to go back and check all your strings. So let's go ahead and do that. So E, a little flat, we want to bring that up. A, perfect. D's good. I'm gonna bring that D up a little bit. Go to G. Bring the G up. B. E. Perfect. Last thing, what I do is just pick any chord. Play through each note. If you hear anything kind of whack, something doesn't sound right, something kind of sticks out, go back and tune it. But sounds like we're in tune. There you have it. And just a quick reminder, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really, really helps. I want to make sure that I put out content that you guys like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really, really appreciate it. If you have any questions, again, hit the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks.